I've got a broken storm window here. The corner piece broke. Ordered a new one online. Go ahead and change that out. I started off by put a towel down so I don't break anything, and took some clamps and clamped it down to give it some stability. And I'm going to start off by drilling out. There's these little indentations in the aluminum that hold this corner piece in. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 4 on the back side. So we'll drill those out and we'll go ahead and get started. I'm using a 3/32 drill bit, and I just want to drill through the aluminum, not into the corner piece. Just enough so I can loosen that up and knock that broken piece out. I could just feel it just broke through. There, I just felt that one too. And this new piece here has a little indentation in there. So when that's dented in, that's what holds it in place. Now we'll flip it over and do the other side. Now with the window flipped over, to get at the two set spots on the back side, we have to remove the weather strip. And there's one hole, 2 holes, and then the 2 holes on the bottom. We'll drill those out. Take the hammer and the screwdriver. There we go. Now since I just have this one broken corner, I'm trying not to take the rest of it apart. There we are. And now we'll flip it back over to get this other side out. To release this slide bolt, I've got to get this corner key out. Of course, it's broke off. What I'm going to try to do is take a pair of pliers and clamp on to the little nub that's there and see if I can tap it out. Now, if your corner's not broken and you just need to change out the slide bolt, then all you need to do is drill these out. Drill these out. You take a hammer and a block of wood, and you just set the block of wood there, and you can tap these out. And then after you get this slid out this way, then you can remove the corner just the way that I'm doing it now. Except it'll be easier. You can just take a screwdriver and a hammer and put it in the pocket, in the elbow, the corner piece that's not broken, and just tap it out. I put a clamp back on that corner over there to hold this stable. Of course, you want to be careful with that clamp that you don't break the window, the glass. And I'll try this little guy first. I'm just going to try to squeeze this and hold it and see if I can pound that out. That didn't work. I wasn't able to pull that out and actually broke a little piece off when I tried. But this storm window corner is what holds the slide bolt in there. So I'm going to try to tap this slide bolt over and see if I can knock that broken off corner piece out. Aha! Beautiful. Release that. And hopefully I can just pull this out now. There we are. With the corner key out, the slide bolt just slides out. There's a spring behind here. I don't need to take the spring out. But there's a spring behind there, and And then this corner key is what holds it all in place. So we'll slide our new corner back in. There we go. The way I'm doing it, I've got to slide the weather stripping in and then pop the corner in. Corner works. Corner bolt's working. Now all we have to do is take a nail punch and get these set. Do one side and flip it over and do the other side. And we'll slide the weather strip back in. All right, with our storm window all repaired, we can go ahead and install it. And keep this house warm for the winter. If this video was a help to you, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing. And I look forward to helping you with other projects online.